Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jeff White, Jeff White Fitness Solutions. Thanks for checking out this video today. And today I want to talk about our economy real quick and how it is just going to get worse, much worse before it gets better, because we are living in a self-fulfilling prophecy. What I mean by that is every day you'll see experts or people who advise you to stop spending money at establishments because they cost too much and because you need to cut your expenses. So by doing that, you're helping yourself. Well, in reality, you may be helping yourself, but the bigger picture is it's just accelerating the demise of the country. And what I mean by that is if you stop spending money going out to eat, on your cable bill, etc., that means that company is going to suffer. If that company suffers, what do? They're going to lay off employees. So by you cutting costs in a roundabout way, you're affecting your fellow American. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. So then that company is going to lay off those employees or close down altogether. So those jobs are gone. That employee no longer has a paycheck, so now they got to scramble to find a way to pay their bills. All because we think we're doing the right thing by cutting costs. Now, don't get me wrong, this is just a bad situation all around because we have no choice but to cut costs. We got bills. These bills are going up, and you can only spend your money on so much stuff. You don't have an unlimited supply of money like the Fed where you can just print money. So it's only going to get worse before it gets better because the economy is going to keep suffering, and then the government is going to step in and try to do something to help us. And that help may not be to our benefit. That's the danger that I see here. By us cutting costs, these companies laying people off, more and more people are going to become reliant on the government to help us. And that help could be in the form of central bank digital currency, rations, all types of things that at the end of the day we may not be happy with. So all I'm saying is be very aware that every action you take has an equal reaction. And that reaction you may not feel for some time in the future, but we need to start preparing for it today. So while you cut those costs, do everything you can to increase your ability to become self-sufficient, because it's all going to come back full circle. Because no matter where, you could be working at a job someplace where someone says, you know what, I got to cut costs. And guess what? That cost is going to be your paycheck. So be very careful what's going on right now. Be very aware of what's going on. Do everything you can to protect yourself, because no job is safe, no job is guaranteed. So that means you have to start preparing today. That means being as self-sufficient as you possibly can. No matter how safe and secure you think your job is, if things keep going the way they are, no job is going to be safe. Stock up on your food, stock up on your water, get your security, learn how to plant something. Plant some potatoes, plant an onion. I don't care what you plant something that is edible, and get you some alternative energy sources and some gold and silver, because we will definitely need it.